Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about a new project that's called DeFi Farm. DeFi Farm is the project that's organized from London, United Kingdom. It's located in 150 Aldergate, London. The core team behind the DeFi Farm project has created a traditional solution that the prosperity of curbing the volatility of crypto digital assets. DeFi Firm's platform is easy to access and does not bank on the single point of future. DeFi Firm is powered by the Binance Smart Chain. The Binance Smart Chain network was selected by the core team because of its high traditional transactional speeds and cheap transaction fees as compared to its boosters Ethereum network. DeFi Firm proposes to be a trading, investment and staking engine that will be integrate the entire DeFi space and blockchain features. Secure NFT staking. No need for a hard wallet to stake and earn. When you stake, will create an NFT wrapping your stakes content. This NFT will be survey has the key to unlock your stakes. Here we can see their NFTs will come soon. It will be a DeFi non-fungible token year, DeFi year platform Binance Smart Chain, and the idea will be start after 3 days. Okay, and it will be a manage your risk. It will be a non-fungible token, experimental DeFi protocol or thought. The smart contract has been added just like any new experiment. There is a risk involved before using a feature of the protocol. Okay, on other hand we can see the liquidity locking. It will be on a pancake and DEX, DeFi BNB liquidity and LP tokens will be locked. Okay, and also it will be transferable on a ERC-71. And in a staking we can see the protocol allow user to stake their various digital assets into the multi different pools to earn DeFi. The governance token of the platform staking process will be the same as any other platform staking. Okay, it will on NFT you can mine their token. Okay, the features NFT are the new funds financial technology. The traditional of NFTs and ERC-71 standard in a DeFi are endless. DeFi Global is to be the pioneer and one of the first to have the professional be seen by the masses. The crypto spares move fast before anyone knows the it NFTs will be implemented in every new DeFi project. Get now and come along for the ride. Okay, the transaction fees will be a 5% in the DeFi, 90% will be go to the reward wallet, and 10% will be go to the DO. Okay, while there are no transaction fees, okay, in NFTs small fees. Okay, it will be a small fees and trade fees. Okay, we can see the team behind. It's a Kessler, Landry, Zachary Brown, Harrick, Madsen, Blocky Dalton, Marcus Salo. Their ecosystem noodles, strategic investor Kai Kim, Ornate Capital, Sul Forten, Venture, Mind Lab, Ice High Tech, and Remedia Research. The feature is INS News, Tech Today newspaper, Crypto News, Tech Billions, Yahoo Finance. Okay, their tokenization roadmap, white paper, and smart knowledge and the team, and their social media if you want to join. The project is looking so strong. If you want to purchase, you can click over here on the ID you sell for the whitelist. Whitelist will be open after 3 days. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.